All right, good afternoon, guys. So as promised, I'm gonna do this review of this Bitcoin product I got. So before I get into it, and I'm gonna have the video come on in a second, it's a watch from Coin Vigilante that I got. It's a Bitcoin theme watch. It's a very cool product. I think you guys are gonna like it, and I'm gonna be wearing it a lot. Currently, I rock a Rolex two-tone Sky Dweller with a white dial, but this thing looks pretty cool. So I'm gonna go break down the box, show you what it looks like. I'm gonna wear it on my wrist a little bit. I still gotta adjust the band, but I'll show you some wrist shots, some up close, explain it a little bit in this video, and you guys can watch. It might be a little bit longer than my normal content, guys. It might be about 5 minutes here, but I think it's worth it. It's a super cool product. Shout out to Coin Vigilante. No, I'm not affiliated. No, I didn't get a discount. No, I didn't get any sort of deal with them. I'm a regular guy who just paid the full price like everybody else. But I will tell you about the watch before we start. It's limited edition, and that's pretty cool. So we're gonna get into it. Enjoy. All right, everybody, so we're gonna unbox. This is gonna be the Bitcoin Genesis Edition watch put out by Coin Vigilante. There's only 121 units of this watch ever made, and it is sold out now forever. The watch was created to honor the Bitcoin blockchain and the Genesis block specifically. We'll get into the watch in a minute, but I really like the packaging that they have here. They have a good logo, and I was really surprised with how much effort they put in the packaging. The little touches, the card, the tissue paper, the little Bitcoin quote there from the blockchain, from the Genesis block. It's all very well put together and thought out. Now here's the card I was telling you about. You'll notice this is 1 of 5 of 121, so I have watch number 105 out of 121. And even the little tissue paper here with their logo is nice. And the box is very well done as well. You can see it's a limited edition Coin Vigilante watch. And so we're gonna open it up in a second here and see what it looks like. I saw pictures of this watch online and I thought it was really beautiful, and it actually almost sold out. I thought it was sold out at the Bitcoin conference, but it turns out they had a couple left and I was able to snag one. So see, look, even the B, Bitcoin Genesis in the lid there, just the little touches on this make it so nice. So as I pick it up, it's very light. It feels pretty well constructed. And when you look at it, you can see it's a stainless steel watch. It has sort of a similar style to some of the Omegas here with that double clasp. The case size is 40 millimeter. It's stainless steel, water resistant to 50 meters or 150 feet. It contains a Myota 9039 movement with approximately a 42-hour power reserve. And in a minute here, we're going to get a close-up on it. You'll see normally I wear that Rolex, so I'm going to take that off and go ahead and show you guys a little bit on wrist. For a 40 millimeter watch, I got to tell you, it doesn't feel as big as it is. 40 millimeters is kind of a bigger case size. And it feels so light and so thin, and I really got to hand it to these guys for that. It wears very well. Now you see I have to adjust the band, but it looks good on the wrist, and I really like that kind of sunburst sort of blue dial. And when we do the close-ups in a minute here, you'll get a much better view of it, a much better picture. And we can talk about all the little specifics on the watch and the little nuances it has that I find personally to be so cool and so fascinating. So we'll put that away, and we'll go ahead and get ready for the up-close unveiling. All right, guys, so this is the watch up close. You'll see I'm going to actually remove the plastic sticker from the top so you can get a better view. The first thing that strikes me is that orange second hand. The orange second hand is just really cool with the little Bitcoin B. You can see the Bitcoin B on the bottom of the dial there directly above the 6. There's a little quote you'll see carved into the case there on the top, on the bottom side right under 6 o'clock. And that is the quote from the Bitcoin Genesis block. Chancellor on Chancellor on brink of second bailout for banks. Excuse me. You'll see it's a stainless steel watch. They've got it branded Coin Vigilante again in that sort of Omega style. But when you go look at the dial, guys, I mean, it's really, really well put together watch. Now on the back here, there's a lot of material as well. Again, they have that quote, Chancellor on brink of second bailout for banks. They have the Genesis watch noted, 50 meters, 150 feet water resistant. You'll see the unique number there, 105. Just going to take that off as well. Try to catch it. There we go. And, it's just, you can tell the detail that went into this and every little thing. The creator knew what they were doing, and that they're probably Bitcoiners themselves, because sometimes people just get on the hype train. I can tell you without a doubt, this is not hype train. You'll see here on the side of this watch, they have the exact block height and epoch that the watch was created in, even the little B here on the crown. All right, guys, so we're outside. You can see it on my wrist. Again, it's not sized properly yet, but you can see how that sunburst blue is just so beautiful in the light here in Florida. And I really like this watch. I'm a big fan of Coin Vigilante. And I think that, you know, I think you should check out the company. They have a lot of other cool models as well. And, you know, stay on the lookout for more Bitcoin themed products. I like them a lot. I have Bitcoin Crocs. I have other Bitcoin themed products. And so I'm always looking for cool Bitcoin products. If you know any, feel free to drop something below. Talk to y'all soon. Thanks, guys. Bye.